Setting up an accurate estimated time of arrival, or ETA, for deliveries is crucial. It ensures efficient operations and promotes customer satisfaction. In this video, we'll show you the essential steps to set up your default expected delivery time. Let's dive in. First, go to Setup, Sapaad Add-ons, then click Sapaad.Online Settings. Under the Primary Settings tab, scroll to the Set Approximate Time. In the Prepare and Deliver Food section, set up the time in minutes. Finally, click Save. Note that you have the flexibility to override the expected ETA for each order based on specific conditions at your restaurant, such as order backlog or traffic. Remember to synchronize all your store settings. And there you have it. Now you know how simple it is to set up the default expected time of arrival for your deliveries. Check out managing locations for Sapaad.Online. Want to learn more? Click on the link below to book a demo.